Check it out, guys. 2001 S4 Audi rally car, pushing about 350 at the crank. Look at that intercooler. It's massive. I like it. It looks so clean on it. Check it out, guys. So he brought it in. This piece broke on it for him on the intercooler. We put him a pipe and just fixed it up. We didn't touch anything else, but I said I'm going to do a video for it. It's fully straight pipe, 3-inch, then 2 1/4, all the way back, straight pipe, as you guys can see. It's a cool looking car, all the way from Washington. He lives near now, so he called us. He needed it fixed. He didn't know about our YouTube channel, so I told him, is it cool if we put it on YouTube? He's like, yeah, hell yeah, put it on. So we did. There it is. Check it out, guys. S4. Check out the side of it. It's clean. Good looking car. Make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more beautiful content. Fully straight pipe. Rally car. Decibels? 118. You can hear the turbo spool. I love it. It sounds awesome. I like it, man. It sounds good. A little fun toy to play with. You can hear that barbel, dude. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. I like the hood skirt too. I love that. Oh, there's his Instagram, guys, if you want to follow it. Right there. Dylan_S4. He's been building this thing for about 4.5, 5 years. So he's had a lot of fun with it. So give him a shout out. Tell him we sent you guys. And we appreciate him bringing it by. Beautiful car. Oh, it's got airbags. You didn't tell me it had air suspension. Do that again. Oh yeah. Low but not slow. I love it. That's badass. That's a stance right there, man. Wow. Nice. Look at it rise back up. Yeah, he's definitely had some fun with this car. You can tell the race car seats and everything. He's definitely enjoyed it. And that's what these cars are for, is to enjoy. Build them, destroy them, and rebuild them. Don't you guys agree? See you, man. See, we even do some intercooler work. Nothing, no tuning or nothing like that, but piping and stuff where we can reach it and it's not too complicated, we'll fix it. If we can help the car community, we do. Oh, that sounds so good. There's the gunshots. You can still hear it. And my watch says loud environment. Again, beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Dodge Challenger 392. It's got full Dynamax race bullets. Full set. Mid and rears. 392 Scat Pack. That sounds phenomenal. All the way from Indiana, guys. We appreciate him coming down.